Welcome class to this very brief video where I'm going to show you how to solve problem number 1 from your handout. Problem number 1 reads, the budget for Elizabeth's meeting is $500. The cost C for a meeting with n people is given by the equation C equals 0.75n plus 140. Using algebra, determine how many people can go to the meeting. When you have a problem like this, you're given an equation and you're given a value to work with. What you need to do is substitute the value you've been given into the equation and solve using algebra. The key is figuring out which value you've been given. So let's remember, the equation you were given is C equals 0.75n plus 140, and C is the cost and n is the number of people. The first sentence said the budget for Elizabeth's meeting is $500. That $500, if it's her budget, is the highest cost that Elizabeth can afford. So we've been given a value for C, and we want to find out how many people can go to the meeting, n. To solve, I'll write the equation. C equals 0.75n plus 140. I'll then substitute in for C 500 because 500 is the maximum cost that Elizabeth can afford. I now have in front of me a basic two-step equation. And in this equation, I'm trying to get n by itself. I'm going to get rid of addition and subtraction first. And if there's division or multiplication, I get rid of that second. It's reverse order of operations. And how do I get rid of plus 140? I do the opposite, which is subtract 140. So I get 500 subtract 140 is equal to 0.75n. When I do 500 subtract 140, I get 360 is equal to 0.75n. I now need to get rid of multiply by 0.75, so I divide both sides by 0.75, and I get my final answer, which is 480 is equal to n. Now I should explain what 480 is, because it is a word problem. 480 people can go to the meeting.